Okay, so you could do these two. Whoops. So you could do these two, right?
Yeah.
But it's this one you want to know how to do.
Yeah.
Cool. So, first things first, right? Can you tell me what this ST, being a straight line, can you tell me how to find the area? And let's call this point here ST, let's call that, say, A, right? Can you tell me how to find the area of STA there?
Half the base times the height.
Yeah. So it's basically the triangle, right? So triangle STA would be half the base times the height. Got it?
Yeah.
Yep. Now, can you tell me the coordinates of A? A is going to be quite easy. What are the coordinates of A?
No, 0.
Yeah. So X coordinate?
0.
Yep. Y coordinate? Now, what would the coordinates of S be? Okay. Now, just have a look at the function, right? The function is 2e to the power of, now I can't read that. Can you tell me what that is? So x on 3.
It is 2e negative x on 5.
Oh, x on 5.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So if that's a 5, yeah. And it won't matter so much when it comes to finding S, but can you tell me the coordinates of S?
It's when x equals 0. So
Yep.
0 to
Yep.
2.
Yep. 0, 2. Got it?
Yeah.
And can you tell me the coordinates of T? Right? Now, you can tell me one of the coordinates of T straight away.
Half.
Yep. So that's the Y coordinate, right? Half.
And then sub a half into.
Yep. And then so you go a half equals to 2e to the power of negative x on 5. Yep.
Yeah.
And that's the same as, let's have a look. A half equals to 2e to the x on 5. Yep.
Yeah.
Cross multiply. So e to the x on 5 is equal to 4. You with me?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So yeah, that was yeah. That could have been quite confusing, but I'm glad you're with me. And then I would probably rearrange this so it's in log form, right? X on 5 is equal to ln 4. X equals to
5 ln 4.
Yeah. Okay.
See, I like to do, when I was doing this, I did a different way. So I divided, I should have done a quarter. Like I divided by a quarter, then I raised a quarter and
So negative.
log, and then I brought it down.
Oh, okay. Yep.
So I was getting like negative 5 ln of like 4, which then turned into 5 ln 4 and then.
Okay, well, let's do it your way and see where it leads us. Okay, so you did 1/4 equals to e to the negative x on 5. Is that right?
Yeah.
And you got ln 1/4 equals to negative x on 5. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you would have got 5 ln 1/4 equals the negative x.
Yeah, I don't get how you get 5. How you get rid of the negative and turn
oh,
it
okay.
into
Oh, well, very simple. You've got minus 5 ln. Now, 1/4 is 4 to the power of negative 1.
Yeah.
And with log laws, what can you do with this negative power?
Bring it down.
Bring it out the front. Okay? So
Right.
positive 5 ln 4 equals to x. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that does.
Yep. And so you've got A, S, and T, and that allows you to find the area of triangle AST, right? So it's going to be half times the base, which is going to be A and S, which is going to be half, so 1.5 times this length here, which is going to be 5 ln 4. Okay, because you're going from 0 to 5 ln 4.
Yeah.
And this one you're going from a half to 2. Got it? Which is 1.5. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that does.
Okay, so that's going to be, so it's going to be 3 on 2. So 3 on 2. So it's going to be 15 on 4. ln 4 is going to be the area. Got it?
Yeah.
And then when it comes to finding this area, which is the curved bit, okay? Yeah. Sorry, my tracing is pretty bad, but that area there is going to be, now let's change this, rearrange this into y, make y the subject of the formula, okay? So if you've got, make x the subject of the formula. So if you've got y, I'll use a different color. If you've got, let's use this. You've got y equals to 2e to the minus x on 5, and we were to rearrange that, right? We would have what? So it'd be y on 2 equals to e to the power of minus x on 5, and it would be ln y on 2 equals to negative x on 5, and we would have minus 5 ln y on 2 equals to x. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. And then let's have a think. What could we do? So you got minus 5 ln y minus 5 ln 2. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did we just use? We used the, whatchamacallit, the, oh, hang on, that would be plus. I'll show you what I did. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then it becomes minus 5 ln y plus 5 ln 2 equals to x. X equals to 5 ln 2 minus 5 ln y. Got it?
Yeah.
Um, oh, hang on. We can't integrate ln y, can we?
Oh, can't it be 1 over y?
Wouldn't the integral of 1 on y be ln y?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's not, so we can't integrate that. We can't integrate, so that's not the right way of going about it. What I would do then is I would actually integrate with respect to x. So from there to there, okay? Not with respect to y. So what we would do is we would go the area under this curve, s to t, right? So you would go the area from s to t, which is actually this area here, would be the integral from 0 to 5 ln 4. Got it?
Yeah.
And it would be just f of x, which is 2e to the minus x on 5 dx. Got it?
Yeah.
But then I would also take away,
Triangle.
not the triangle,
Oh, the rectangle.
the rectangle. Yeah, yeah. So that's half. So minus a half times 5 ln 4. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we'll take the triangle away later. Okay. But then when we do that, we integrate this and it ends up being 2e to the minus x on 5 over minus 1 on 5. Is that right?
Yeah.
And then it goes from 5 ln 4 to 0 minus, let's do that. What's that? 5 on 2 ln 4. Let's do this, substitute that in. So it's 2e to the minus 5 ln 4 over 5. And then this bit actually becomes times negative 5. Right? Minus 2e to the 0 times negative 5. Yep.
Yeah.
And it's also going to be minus 5 on 2 ln 4. Okay. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
That times that gives you negative 10. So now the 5s here cancel. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then it's e to the negative ln 4. Okay. Minus, and then that becomes what? That becomes 1. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Minus a negative 10 becomes plus 10. And then this bit becomes minus, and then you just shove that bit on the end. Now, what does this become? That becomes minus 10 times 1 on e to the ln 4 plus 10 minus 5 on 2 ln 4. Okay. Minus 10 times that bit becomes 4 plus 10 minus 5 on 2 ln 4. So this bit is minus 2.5.
Yeah.
10 is 7.5. Okay. So this black bit here area here. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. And to find the area of this bit, yep, be the area of the triangle minus the area of the black bit. Okay?
Yep.
So it'd be 15 on 4, ln 4, minus 7.5, minus 5 on 2, ln 4. And when we work that out, I think it's, that'll be 10 on 4. It'd be, whoops, 15 on 4 ln 4 plus 10 on 4 ln 4 minus 7.5, which I think is 25 on 4 ln 4 minus 7.5. Is that it? Is that the answer, by the way? Or do you not know?
Oh, then I'm not.